He wanna fuck with her. Tell me to pull up with her. He can't get enough of her. Damn. What? He wanna fuck with her.
Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Beautyforeverhair, and I'm collabing with them, y'all. I collabed with this company multiple times in the past. They never disappoint. They did send me a wig and a few gifts inside of the box. I will be putting this wig on, y'all. This wig is very, very beginner friendly. A few things about this wig: the baby hairs are already pre-plucked, pre-put out already. Not only that, they are very, very curly, y'all. This hair is a jerry curl pattern as well, so that means that this is very, very full. So yeah, y'all, let's get right into this video. Inside the wig, it does have a wig band so that you can make this wig glueless. It is up to you, but overall I give this wig probably an 8 out of 10. It wasn't bad, but to my liking, this wig was very, very full. Me, honestly, I don't really like wigs that full, but to each his own. You definitely get your money worth. So let's get right into this video.
Then dip me underway. You can kill my mouth for flow, hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Deep, But you give it me
So the company did want me to put this wig in a half up, half down style. I want to show y'all how it looked. As I mentioned, this wig was very full, y'all, very full, and the baby hairs were very curly. So you really didn't have to do nothing to the wig but put it on. And as I mentioned, you can wear the wig glueless. It is up to you. So yes, y'all, I'll also be showing y'all the final look on how I wore it for Valentine's Day. I did wear this wig for Valentine's Day in a little side part, free part type of look. I definitely love this wig. As I mentioned, it's 8 out of 10 for me. The hair is very full, and you definitely get your money worth. Everything about this company will be in the description box. Literally everything. You can use my discount code to get money off if you're interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did send you. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to go shop at Beautyforeverhair. Literally everything will be in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. It will be in the description box below. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.
He wanna fuck with her. Tell me to pull up with her. He can't get enough of her. Damn. What? He wanna fuck with her.